Here Akhil Srivastava. In the third video I have explained about drawing of root 2 on the number line. Here you will study and started the drawing of root 3 on the number line. Root 3. How will you draw it? In the previous I have told you, first of all you will draw a line by scale and then put the equal mark to 3. Here -1, -2, -3. Then at 1 you draw a 90 degree. Process of root 2, how will you construct? Compass, you measure and cut it. You are getting root 2. Now you will again draw a 90 degree at, if it is O, it is A and it is B. OB is equal to under root 3. Under root 2, not 3, under root 2. But you want root 2 plus 1. Here again you draw a 90 degree by compass, R by protractor. You are getting, it is a 90 degree. 90 degree you will measure the distance of this one unit only. And you cut this from B and get the C. From B you are cutting and getting the C. Now join C with the center O. You are getting a right triangle OBC. So OC is also equal to root 2 square OC square plus 1 square by Pythagoras. So your answer will be 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. It is OC square. Then what is the OC? Under root 3. OC is under root 3. Then you will take the compass and take radius of OC and mark from here radius of OC, and you mark this you are seeing. You will get a, here by this you will draw and you get root 3. What are you getting? Root 3 here. Root 3 you are getting at this place. Here it is a root 3. Here you will get, if you here draw, then you will get a root 2. So between 1 and 2 you are getting the root 3. Between 1 and 2 you are getting root 2 as well as root 3. If there will be a root 4, then you will get the 2. So how will you plot the root 5? Now you will get, how will you plot the root 5? Root 5 will be also the same process. When you will draw, you get the root 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here -1, -2, -3. Root 5 you will draw by drawing the root 2, one method. There is a two method. One method is, first of all you draw root 2. How will you draw root 2? Like previous one. You draw a 90 degree protractor by compass. Cut 1 centimeter. So 1 plus 1 root 2 you are getting. Again you draw here 90 and cut 1. So you will get what? Root 3, which you have drawn just in the previous. Now you will get again root 2. Root 3, then what will you get? Root 4. Root 4 means you will cut here like this 1 centimeter. 90 degree and 1 centimeter. You will get the root 4. It is a root 4. Root 4 by scale. Root 2, root 3, root 4. Now you will get the root 5. Root 5 will be here. You will get again 90 degree. How will you? Protractor. 90 degree, all of you knows how will you draw. So you will draw it and here you cut and join from here. You will get it is a root 5. These all are 1, 1, 1 and 1. Only 1 centimeter you cut. Now take the compass and from here it is a root 5. Root 5 is you are getting at this place. Where you are getting? Between 2 and 3. You are getting the root 5 between 2 and 3. Exact I am only supposing because you are getting just distance is more and lines are not clear, but you see by compass exact measurement you will do, then you can get the root 5 will be here. Root 5 you can break another method without this confusion. First root 2, then root 3, then root 4, then root 5. Only direct you can do root 5, you can write 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 means 2 square plus 1 square. 2 to the 4, 1 1 ja 1. So it is a one right triangle in which you get 0, 1, 2, 3. Between 2 and 3. Minus 1, minus 2. What will you do? Here root 5 will be greater than 2. 2 to the 4. 4. It is greater than 2. Means greater than 2 square. 4 under root 2 square. Under root 2 square is 2. So here you are getting at 2 you draw a 190 degree. At 2 you draw. It is a second method. At 2 you draw a 90 degree. But cutting of this perpendicular will be only 1 centimeter, not 2. Here is a 0, O, and here is a. From this you don't cut this part. You will take only 1 unit. How much unit? 1 unit you will take and you cut from here 1 unit at this place. You see that? It is a smaller part and it is a greater part. It is a 1 unit and this part is a 2 unit. So 2 square plus 1 square. When you join this B with O, you are getting OB, not from 1. Generally we join the previous number in the, here also you are seeing, here also you are seeing, but here you don't join 1. You leave this from 0, you join the B and then take the radius of this. Then take the radius of this. You will get an arc which intersects the number line. You are seeing like this. Seeing this arc you will make like a OB as a radius. You will make and then you will get a point C on the number line. This point is C, which is under root 5. So under root 6 also you will take. Suppose you want to get under root 7 or under root 6. So same process you repeat. Under root 6 will be 5 plus 1. 5 is not a perfect square. So it is, you write the root 5, 4 plus 1. So first of all you will get, it will be root 5 square plus 1 square. Gets 5 plus 1, 6. Root 5 square plus 1 square, 5 plus 1, 6. Here root 5 you break. Here it is a root 5 square I have written. 6 I am breaking. Only 1 unit is the perpendicular. Here you will get 2 square plus 1 square. Both are the perfect square. So you draw 5 in this very simple way. You can do 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3. You will get 90 degree here by protractor or compass, 1 unit. Like here, you cut and join it. You are getting 2 square plus 1 square. What is? Root 5 or not? Again you draw 90 degree at this place and 1 unit you will get. Here you cut 1 and you are getting again here root 5 plus 1. What will you get? Root 6. Root 6 plus 1, root 7. Now by the compass again same process when you draw, you can get root 5 as well as the root 6. Root 6 is this, and you take the compass and then draw. What are you getting? Root 6. You are getting the root 6 on the number line. Root 5 here and root 6 here. Root 5 at this place, root 6. There is a 2 points you are getting. One is root 5 and one is root 6. Like this you will get root 7 and root 8 also. Root 7. Again you draw root 5, root 6. But when you want to draw root 7 by root 1, then it is difficult. Many right triangles will be required. First root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, root 6, root 7 till here. Like this. But here you will get the simple way. Like if the root 10 is given, it means it is, if root 10 you want, it is 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 means 3 square plus 1 square. So directly you can get between 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 means 9, root 9. And 4 means root 16. So root 10 will be here. If you get 9, so 3 3 the 9 plus 1. From 0 you join, not 1, not 2. From 0 you join 190 degree and directly you will get the root 10 here. Here it will be the root 10. Easily you can draw. Every right angle you will get a root 10. So it is given in the exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. Here you see exercise 1.2 in your book. You are seeing question number 1 is given true and false. Question 1 is given true and false. Every irrational number is a real number. Question number 1, first part is every real number, every irrational number is a real. It is a true. But second part is given, every point on the number line is in the form of root m, where m is a natural number. So it is false. Why false? Generally it is true. Because negative sign, negative number is not by under root m. Under root m will not give the negative. Natural numbers are positive. And number line you are getting the after 0 negative number is also there. That's why it is false. Third one is given. Third part of this is given. Every real number is an irrational number. Every real number is it is also false, because every real number is an irrational number is not possible, because root 4 minus 2, what is given? Every real number is irrational and irrational number is not there. 4 is there too. 2 is a rational, not irrational number, and 2 is a real also. So it is also false. You will get second question. Are the square root of all the positive integer irrational? No. Positive integer all is not irrational. It is again second question you can do easily. No. Like a root 9 is 9. Example it want. You write down root 9 is, and this example you can give. A real number, all the real numbers are not irrational. So you can get third question of the exercise is given. You show the root 5 on the number line. You can easily show root 5. Two methods I have told you. So how will you third question root 5 on the number line? There is a two method. Any one method you adopt. Adopt by root 2, root 3, then root 4, then root 5, or direct by 2. That you have seen. Direct by 2 I have told you here. Here it is direct by 2. I have taken 2 and 1 unit 90 degree and then right I am getting the direct. And next one, fourth is given spiral. Spiral, you know, spiral. What is the spiral? Spiral is like a spring. From one place you start, one length, and you increase. It is called the spiral. So here, square root spiral means 1 unit you draw, 1 unit by scale, and your copy you will draw it. 1 unit. 1 unit you draw. At this you draw a 90 degree. Suppose it is A, it is B. You draw 90 degree, 1 unit again, and then you will get. Here again you draw a 1 unit and draw it till you will get the root 2. Like this, 1 unit you draw, you will get the root 3. And this will be continuous. You move 1 unit always. 1 unit you draw and join it. You will get the root 4, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 9, root 17 till here. Again, spiral means it will cross this line. When you draw root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 9, like this, every one, then like this you will get a spiral. That's all for today. Next video I will meet and then discuss the rational number and real number.